Hi guys, I'm Trivikram. As you can see, today we are testing one solar cooker. Its name is Prince15. It's a 125-liter cooker, and we have set it up in Bhubaneswar. Today is 2nd of November, and the time is almost around 12:10. The sun is high up in the zenith, and as you can see, these are all the reflector plates, kind of like parabolic in nature, and these all plates are been focused to this point, and we have placed one ball of water to check how much time does it take to get warm and how much time does it take to get it fully boiled. And always make sure that you wear gloves and use sunglasses to avoid any damage to your eyes and get any burns, because these are highly reflective materials. And if you will just place your hand nearby, you can sense the heat also, as I can sense here. We will just check how much time does it take to get fully warm and how much time does it take to fully boil, to make a comparison. Hi there again. This is Trivikram, and we set it up at around 12:10 to check how much time does it get to get the water boil. And as I just did my hand inside the bowl, I can feel the water is warmed up, but as per my expectation, is not getting warm. Well, there might be some issue, or might be the radiation is not that high. We'll check it out. Here is the tiny detail that I just want to make sure you all know. This point that you're looking, this is a kind of like calibration tool. Whenever you just put your solar cooker underneath the sun, make sure the shadow of this object should not be anywhere nearby. That means your cooker is been calibrated to 0. And if you will just check, right now I'm just moving the cooker somewhere, and you can see the shadow is approaching. That means my cooker is not placed in the proper position. So just make sure you put it in such a position that the shadow won't fall nearby. As you can see, there is no shadow. That means my cooker is calibrated exactly at the inclination position of the sun for the better radiation and better reflection. The temperature on these bars are quite high. If you'll just place your hand, you might get burned. And I just tested it quite like 5 minutes back. I don't know how much time does it get to get the water fully boiled. So that is the thing that we are testing here. The water is a bit warm now. Let's check after another 15 minutes. Hi once again, I am Trivikram, and here we have changed the bowl to a aluminum pot, because the previous one was a steel bowl, and it was kind of highly reflective. So I was just having a guess that due to that reflection, maybe the water was not getting as warm as I was expecting it to be. So here I place it in an aluminum pot, and the water is getting warm, but it's not getting boiled. It's almost like 40 or 45 minutes past. I think also the sun is not that the radiation is not that high. So we will conduct this test again tomorrow at this same time, and we will do some other improvisation in the pot and the position if possible. So I'll just keep you posted. Thank you. Hi guys, I'm Trivikram. Good morning to all. Today we are testing the solar cooker once again. As yesterday it was hazy sunshine, so we couldn't get the water boiled. But today the sunshine seems quite okay. So we are testing it in the second round. As you can see, we have put some water and also some rice inside, and the water is getting boiled slowly. If you will just look closely, you can see all the sun rays are being focused to this point, and trust me, the pot is quite hot. And the one thing that I discovered from its manufacturer, Dr. Ajay Chandak, that all these cuts in this cooker are for the shadow marking. It's just to make sure that your pot is in proper position. As you can see here, the middle portion is casting a shadow from the pot that I have kept here. So it's just to make sure that your pot is in proper position while you place it. And another suggestion is that to use black colored pot with a lid based cover, so that the heat don't get dissipate to the atmosphere, and also the black surface will absorb more heat than any usual normal surface. So you can see the rice is getting boiled slowly, and we expect to see the properly boiled rice within half an hour or so. So let's check out after 20 minutes.